Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre French coach. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. I am here to teach you French. This podcast is dedicated to travelers and beginners. Maybe you're going to France soon. Maybe you're planning to spend summer in France or sometime next year, so now is the time to learn French. Today, a very important lesson. I'm going to teach you how to make 100 French sentences in less than 10 minutes. I promise at the end of this podcast, you will know how to make 100 French sentences. Before I start, the transcript is on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, under the blog section. You will be able to follow all the verbs that I'm about to mention. Also, I don't know if I mentioned that before, I have a Facebook page. You'll find a lot of posts about planning your vacations and a lot of fun things and fun facts about France. And I have a YouTube channel where you can follow some of my videos and you can learn more French. So are you ready? I'm about to share with you the secret on how to make 100 French sentences. In French, the sentence structure is subject, verb, and complement. If the subject is I, and then I know 10 verbs and I know 10 complements, by mixing them together, I have 100 sentences. So I'm going to teach you how to do that in French. In English, if I say, I like to walk, I have I, the subject, like, the verb at present tense, and to walk as a complement. We have the same structure in France, meaning that we have a set of French verbs that can be followed by another verb at the infinitive to make a complement. 10 magic verbs that you can use, and you know when you use them, you only need to use another verb at the infinitive as a complement. So first verb is pouvoir. Pouvoir is can, to be able to. I can, je peux. Je peux. Second verb is vouloir. Vouloir. Vouloir is to want. Je veux. I veux. Want. I want. Je veux. Troisième verbe, third verb, devoir. Devoir means to have to. To have to or to must. Je dois. Je dois. I have to. I must. Savoir. Savoir. Savoir, to know. Je sais, I know. Je sais. Aimer. Aimer, maybe you guessed already, maybe you know this verb, it's to love, to like. Souhaiter. Souhaiter. Souhaiter means to wish. Je souhaite, I wish. Préférer. Préférer, to prefer, because you can guess, je préfère. Je préfère. We have two different accents here. Je pré, so lips are stretched. Préfère. R, you want your mouth to be open. Je préfère. Good. Now, a very nice one. Adorer. Adorer. J'adore. J'adore. Again, we're going to drop the E. Adorer. J'adore. J'adore. Now, what's the opposite of adorer? Yes, to hate. Je déteste. Je déteste. We have one more and we're done. The last one is avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de. 3 words, which means I need to. J'ai besoin de. In French, we said I am in need of. J'ai besoin de means I need. So that's great. You already know to make the subject, I, je, and I gave you a list of 10 verbs that can be followed by another verb at the infinitive. Let's go back to the example that I gave you. I like to walk. So now you know how to say I like, j'aime, and to walk in French, marcher. J'aime marcher. I like to walk. Here you go, your first French sentence. Great, right? So let's keep going. Maybe you want to say j'aime courir. I like to run. Run, courir, to run. So you can use other verbs. I have a list of common French verbs, but feel free to look up your own verbs. So here is my list of verbs. Manger. Manger, to eat. Boire. Boire, to drink. Dormir. Dormir, to sleep. Partir. Partir, to leave. Revenir. Revenir, to come back, to go back. Sortir. Sortir, to go out, to get out. Arrêter. Arrêter, to stop. Rester, to stay. It doesn't mean to rest. Rester, to stay. Visiter, to visit. Now you can use your own. Maybe you want like to swim, nager. So let's practice what I just told you. So let's go back to the first verbs that I gave you. And let's say that you want to say, je veux manger. I want to eat. Je veux manger. Very simple. And now you can use all these verbs. So I'm going to give you other sentences. Je préfère rester. I prefer to stay. Je préfère rester. Maybe you want to say, I need to drink. J'ai besoin de boire. And maybe you want to say, I wish to come back. Je souhaite revenir. All right, so I hope everybody listened. Okay, let's have a little quiz and a little practice here. How you would say, I have to leave. I have to leave. Yes, je dois partir. Before we stop, one more thing. Very important. What if you want to say, I don't want to, or I can't, or I don't prefer? In French, to use negation, it's very simple. It's subject plus ne plus verb plus pas plus complement. For instance, let's say that you want to say, I don't want to eat. Je ne veux pas manger. Let's say that you want to say, I don't want to go out. Je ne veux pas sortir. Great. See how simple it is? Maybe you want to say, I don't like sleeping. Je n'aime pas dormir. And that's it. Here you go. Now you're all set. In less than 10 minutes, you've learned how to make 100 sentences in French, like I promised you. Feel free to go on my website to find the transcript. And also, if you listen to me on Spotify, don't forget to hit follow so you get a notification next time I publish a new podcast, which should be very, very soon. Merci et à bientôt. Au revoir.